Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is super exciting. It's my first day of Vlogmas. Yeah, I'm going to attempt to do Vlogmas this year. Kind of nervous about it. It seems like kind of a big deal to upload every day until Christmas, but I'm gonna give it my best shot. It's gonna be a super busy month, so hopefully you guys will enjoy coming along with me. Now, I'm not going to be doing vlogs every day. I'm still going to be uploading different things, but it's going to be every day. So it's going to be Vlogmas without a ton of vlogs. Today's video, I want to show you how to make a bow because you guys were totally interested in my crazy bow making skills in my affordable wreath video, and I will link that up there. So I did end up picking up some floral wire, and I didn't pick up the spool, I just picked up like the pick type. So you're gonna need one of those. So you're gonna need one of these, and these are actually really helpful to have just in your house to like when you're doing any kind of arranging or like garlands and stuff. I have this 9 feet of ribbon from the Dollar Tree. You can use any ribbon you want. I'm just using this one, especially since if I mess up, it's just $1 and not like a $4 ribbon. So I'm just gonna let it fall. You're gonna need some scissors. So the first thing you wanna do is make a little loop, right? And then you just want to twist it, right? Make a loop, and then in the back you just twist it. Basically you turn it around, do you know what I mean? And then you can try to make them even. And then twist it in the back. You just twist it. Okay. It's hard to do slowly. And you twist. You take your floral wire, right? And you wrap it around, okay? And you smush the center together. And then you twist the wire to kind of like make a pick, right? Like that, okay? So there's the floral wire. There's the floral wire in the front, and this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like in the back. Then you just kind of create your bow like this by moving it all around like this. I don't really like this poof in the front. I should have made this smaller. I don't like that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna thread it through and make it smaller. Like that. That's better. That's much better. Okay, so then you just kind of fluff it, fake it until you make it, like I like to say. And then I proceeded to fluff my ribbon for 30 minutes straight. That is not an exaggeration. I sat there and fluffed it for 30 minutes. Clip the tail. And yet still I was unhappy with how fluffy it was, so I needed to continue to fluff it. Okay, so after I like fluffed it, I mean, it's still a bit rough. It's been a while. This is my finished product. And you can have longer tails too if you want, or you can not have any tails and add tails. Yeah, hopefully this helps you create some cheap Dollar Tree bows. So here it is, my Dollar Tree bow. The picks were, I think, less than $2 for 30. This was $1, and yeah, it's so cheap, and you can like really play around with it and add different ribbons in it. Like start out with this, and can you imagine even like adding some like burlap even to make them even bigger or fuller? You can add tails, you can do all sorts of things. So hopefully you guys, hopefully this was helpful for you guys, and if you guys end up making your own DIY bows, tag me on Instagram because I would love to see what you guys created.